I feel tired. I feel tired after work. I feel really tired after work because I stood all day. She does the dishes. She does the dishes after dinner. She always does the dishes after dinner while her brother watches TV. He asked a question. He asked a question in class. He asked a very difficult question in class that nobody could answer. I watch TV. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening to relax after finishing my homework. I need to take a break. I need to take a break from studying. I need to take a short break from studying because I feel tired. She is getting ready. She is getting ready for school. She is getting ready for school by packing her bag and putting on her uniform. He wants to lose weight. He wants to lose weight by exercising. He wants to lose weight by exercising every day and eating healthy food. Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret about the surprise party? Can you keep a secret about the surprise party we are planning for Sarah? Thanks for watching. See you next time.